How to use Melio for beginners. Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're a small business owner, freelancer, or just getting started with digital payment, this video is for you. Today I'm going to show you how to use Melio, a super handy tool that lets you to send business payment online for free. Whether you are paying vendors, contractor, supplier, this step-by-step tutorial will guide you through the whole process from the start to finish. Now, if you are not familiar what is Melio, then Melio is a free bill pay service for small businesses. It allows you to pay your vendors by bank transfer, credit card, debit card, or even a PayPal check without your vendor needing a Melio account. Now you can also schedule them and add invoices and track everything from one simple dashboard. So alright, and get started. First thing first, what you have to do is just simply come on this website, which is melio.com or meliopayments.com. Just simply click on this start now. If you have already an account, you can click on the sign in button. Just simply click on sign up. Now you will get three options. First, which is enter an email. You can connect with the Google account as well. Click on the connect with the Google. I am using the Google account. You can use your own email as well. Now you have to customize this based on your need. If you're a business, click on the business and click on the continue. If you're an accounting firm, then click on that. Then you have to add your first name, last name, birthday, and then of mobile number. Now you have to add about your company, which is what is your company name? My company name is Maker, and just adding the random string here. So after logging in and customization, you will land on this Melio dashboard, like vendors. So I will explain this dashboard one by one so you get the better understanding about Melio application or website. Now in the pay section, you will get to see this options where like vendors, bills, approvals and payment and financing. So what is this? So vendor is basically, this is the screen where currently we are on. It is where you are where you can manage the people. When you can manage companies, you need to pay. Like you can add your first vendor. These are some example. If you want to add your own, you can just simply click on it. Let's go to bills. Bills is basically, this section shows the bills you have uploaded or created inside the Melio website. Now, if you go to approvals, so approvals are if you have a team and require someone else to approve payment before sending them. This is where that workflow happens here. Now, payments, if you go into payments, a payment is for this tab is less your completed and scheduled payment, help to track what is going out. Now, give can history, you can see all the history related to payments. Now, going to financing. Financing is a mirror something offers finance option if you want to pay a bill now and pay later, especially or with credit card. So they have some good features. It will show over here. I know it's loading. It will take you a second. Let's get back to our vendor. So since this is a fresh account, Melio promoting us to add our first vendor. Vendor are basically the people or businesses you need percent payments to, like a graphic designer or print company, or you or your landlord if you rent officer space. Now, let's say in this case, Melio is showing some vendor suggestion in the bottom, as you can see here. They are likely based on common businesses or connected integration. Here are some examples over here, like thanks, coordinate or processing. You can either select one of these suggested vendor, or you can click on the purple button over here, add my own button to manually enter your vendor's name and business. Now let's add our own vendor name. Click on the add my own. Over here, you have to give a vendor business name. So let's say I will just add some suggested name over here, SME dog C. Now then you have to give a vendor contact name or contact name like Jane's MN. Then you have to give the email address jane.example.co. And then you have to provide your that number which you are sending. Now mark as So you can mark as a vendor as well. Vendor you need to issue 1099 for buy here, you can add that too. And on just simply click on the continue. And now how would you send or how your company like to receive payments? You can use our transfer fund to your vendor by ACS transfer, or you can transfer wires transfer, people check if you want to send that. Now I will choose this transfer fund to your bento by ACS transfer. Now you have to add vendor's routing number. So this number is just with you have to add, then you have to add vendor's account number, and you can save and add bill. Now I will not process this because I don't have 9-digit vendor routing number. What you can do is you can go with the wire transfer. You have to add 9 digits over here as well. So this is how you can add your menu. If you want to add 2 days of this is a default to today, but you can select future date if needed. Now let's get back. We have successfully added our vendor. Let's see if it is popping up or not. New vendor talk Asia bot INC added. Now let's say if you want to get paid, you have the option as well. As you can see here, we have successfully added our vendor. Let's go to bills and let's create a bill over here. Now finally, now in the bill, you will get to see there is an option of create bill in the bottom. Click on it, and over here you have to search for your vendor. As I said, I have already added a vendor. Select that, pay the amount which no one to pay. Or let's say this invoice number is a one-time payment. Invoice date is today's date. Due date will be tomorrow's. And not if you want to add that, add that known, and click on the item 9 if you want to add that. Now a browse to upload your invoice image. Let's say you have an invoice, you can add that, go here. Now just simply click on the continue to pay. It will take you to this option where you can link your bank account or card. Let's say I will go with the bank. So here you have to add belay user played to connect your contact. Now, if you want to use a mobile phone, you can use it. Let's use email address. Now, I'm continuing as a guest. Click on as a guest and instant login into your bank to link instantly. If you want instantly login, you can use this option. Now, if you want to add manually, like enter your account and routing number, typically takes 1 to 2 days to verify. But if you book the instantly, you can choose instantly. Sure, it's all up to you. Choose the institution over here, prepare your bill. Now, let's say my bank is Citibank, and please use the reCAPTCHA below to process. It will check that I'm robot or not. Wait for a few seconds. Let me capture. Now, click on the continue to login, and it will redirect you to this pop-up where you have to give authentication, and you have to add your user ID and password and sign in with. After signing, you will get to see there is an option of give authentication, and click on it. And after that, you can connect your bank with this Melio. Now, after doing all of these, right now I'm not able to do that because I don't have any account. So yeah, if you will see in the approval, in the payments, you will get to see some of Jason or tried a transaction over here. But let's add a new payment over here. Click on it. As I did already, you can do one by one and approve your payment. Now in the bill, we have already added a bill over here. As you can see here, we haven't authorized Citibank, but you will get to see the bills in Melio.com. Now, we have successfully added a pays or you. Let's say if you want to get paid from a vendor, a specific vendor, or to someone else, you can get paid like you are right now. Just simply click on this get started. And from here, you have to upload your business logo. Click on it. Then set up your payment page, click on the save and connect your bank. And from here, you have to connect your bank over here right now. I will continue as a guest. This simply reconnect, click on the continue, and then choose your bank. And then again, you can repeat the whole process that which I have saved, show you already. And now you have to log in at your Bank of America. You will be sent to Bank of America to security to log into your account. Now, I don't have a account in the Bank of America. So after that, you have to follow those instruction or follow those instruction and you will be connected with your bank. Now let's add a customer over here. Let's say you have to like send payment request by adding customer detail to a specific customer. You can add by here. Simply click on it, and over here you have to give the customer company name is like LOL company, and click on it. So we have successfully added. You have to add the full contactor's full name or email and phone number. These are things are option. That's why I add to customer. So again, I will add one more customer here. So we got our 2 customer. So whenever we want to send a request of get paid, you can create a request from here, or you can send it from here. So yeah, that's it. This is how you can use a Melio to send a payment in just few minutes. If you found this tutorial helpful, and if you understand how you can create vendors, how you can create bills, how you can approve bills, and how can you get financing from Melio. Let's say if you want to finance or yourself, you can apply. Just simply click on the apply now, and then you have to put all the details which is related to your business, like basic information, your information, business owner, and control person. So after that, after filling all of these forms, just simply click on the apply. The Melio support will review your application. If you're eligible, then you will get financing as well. So yeah, that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, then subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.